Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. Today we're going to break down the RST Aramid straight leg denim riding jeans. The RST Aramid straight leg jeans retail for $164.99. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's begin with sizing. That's an area we can really help you guys out. We're going to show you some B-roll of me wearing these jeans. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 196 pounds, 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a 34-inch waist pair of pants. I'm getting a good fit from these. I would say they run true to size. All the jeans that we're bringing in, right, are coming in one standard length. You can see on me how long those are. My inseam is going to be somewhere right around 33 inches. This pair of jeans uses a denim outer shell with high-grade Kevlar reinforcement in the knees, the back or the seat, and the side of the legs. Those are the impact zones, okay? This is a great complement in their catalog to their Pro Jean, which uses a Cordura outer shell. It's just more of a robust product. You know, looking at this and comparing it to some of the others in the market, I would say this is very robust, very well reinforced. It does have an ACE rating. You can find more details about that on our website as well as on the RST website. It also includes CE Level 2 certified knee and shin armor that is in a 3-position adjustable pocket to help ensure that you're able to get it located in the position that you want it to be in. Exterior storage pockets, standard stuff you'd see on jeans. Good clean styling cues too. I mean, these just look like a good looking pair of jeans. Keep it simple, right? Here are the back pockets. Let's take a look inside so we can show you where the reinforcements are and then break down those armor pockets as well. If you would like protection in the hip area, these do include pockets for hip armor. We have the hip armor in the RST category on our site if that's something you decide you'd like to add. Something else they have done here is there is a full mesh liner to keep the jeans wear really comfortable because of that. A full mesh liner, right, front and back of the legs. Here is that knee armor pocket. Here is the hip armor pocket. The reinforcements are a little more difficult to see now because they're behind the mesh, but you can see it's right here in this area. Here it is in the side of the legs. You can kind of see the yellow through the black mesh, and then of course all here in the seat, right? This pair of jeans is going to be aimed right at the rider that wants something a little less technical than their Pro Jean. The Pro Jean retails for $234, I think, and that's got the hip armor, the knee armor, like a Cordura outer fabric, plus the Kevlar on the inside. This, while still offering a good measure of impact and abrasion resistance, right, it's going to wear just a little bit lighter than that Pro Jean will, so it's going to be a little cooler in those hot summer months. Here is that knee and shin armor pocket. There are 3 levels of adjustment. Here is your bottom point, which is also the opening for the pocket. Mid, highest point. You have these 2 stops up here at the top. So for example, if we want to use this as the bottom point, we'll need to get in here and release the Velcro tab up top as well. Kind of fold the armor up, slide it in the pocket. This is a process you might need to go through a couple of times to really find the sweet spot for yourself and your own riding style. Right, we're all shaped a little differently. Get it slid in there, re-engage the Velcro to ensure that you're holding it in position, right? 3 spots to choose from. We've had a great experience here with the RST product line at STG. We're pretty much the only retailer really offering this in the US. We're importing it directly. It's been about a year and a half now, so with that said, we see all the warranty and stuff that for the US sales that we're doing through us, they flow right through us. We've sold quite a bit. Very low rate of return, right? Stuff sizes correctly, very few issues with the quality. The price is right, the product is amazing. This has quickly become one of our biggest lines here at STG, and for good reason. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you all out.